for the badminton tournament, and we are from IIW, Indian Inspiring Women, and looking forward to have a fun and relaxed day.
I am also from IIW and I'm one of the organizers, so very happy to organize this.
Lovely meeting.
Everyone is very happy that you organized this.
Thank you.
Excited for the tournament?
Yeah.
Yay! Very excited. All set.
அப்படி இருந்தா கூட 2.5 hours ஆகுதேடி.
அதான் சொல்றேன்.
4 hours ஆகுது அப்படி இருந்தா கூட.
That's on you guys if you want to say.
Thank you.
They are our supporters.
Kids are free or kids also £1?
What is the price?
Let the kids go free.
If you want, you can take us upstairs and do it.
And esteemed coaches.
Look behind.
I'm just watching another game.
I'm looking forward to all the little brown bags.
It's the Josh, guys. All our Tamil people.
You think I'm down after I made the stroke? Do you play?
Yeah, sometimes support her.
So on WhatsApp, I posted a picture yesterday for all the groups, okay? So just make sure you have a look at it. There's only one pairing that's changed. Each pair is going to play 7 people, yeah? Everyone has the right shoes, and when you're downstairs, make sure you tick your name. Most of you have, but if you haven't, make sure you take it down. Sorry?
From where we have to watch the match.
This one. Where's the other one? Okay. So right now your only organizer is Shekha. Any complaints? Not to me, to her.
Only praise to me, complain to him.
I'll be at the end at court 6. So anyone around there, you can come to me, and I'll put you around court 1 and 2.
Any disputable points, just ask.
Remember, do not go inside until 12. There's a junior club.
How's the Josh?
Yeah, it's great. Great.
How's the Josh? Hi.
Very high.
Come on.
Thank you.
Don't go any fast.
आप एक चाट वाट खा लो. At 12 o'clock we go to the court and then you all can start.
On the point. Okay, so it's 1-0. So that person will not serve.
I mean, அது வந்து ஆனாது ஆனாது. Hello. Hi. Hey, thank you.
Careful.
Sorry. एकावेळेस बीच्या 2 टीम्स खेळतील एकावेळेस सी आणि डी ची एक टीम खेळेल
Amy jumping on the trend.
Now pictures, please.
So, it is immense pleasure to introduce to you Councillor Allen from the Conservatives, and they are here to support and strengthen our power. The thought behind it that today more than 42 pairs of ladies registered for this GBS championship, badminton championship.
Thank you.
May we honor you as well, sir. Please come. Well, Sunil is here. Yes, sir, please be here. Ladies, so let's just cheer up for each other. Yeah? Please honor sir. These are the men, remember. Men support women more than anything else it is. Today we are here because of the men. Just playing the first shot and then we begin the rest of the match. Okay, so everybody is there with your pair, with your partner. Yeah? Just a quick one line. If anybody here having a British citizenship or an ILR want to study in, you can renew your studying passion by joining GBS. When the government pays your half of the fees, then GBS is there to support all those who have stopped study and want to take another career. Yeah? So that's GBS for you. Okay, so Councillor Allen, Councillor Ranjit, maybe see you on the ground playing the first shot.
Anjuna.
I haven't played for years.
No, but then you did it. My God, well done, well done.
I thought it's Swati and Swati. Okay. Okay, next. Go to next pair.
How was the game?
It's too quick.
I was just helping, that's it.
It's not. Because it's okay. Because it's nice. And we just.
Good game.
Do a bit of network, and then also you meet other people. And I mean, I just said to you, in the army, I always say you need three things. First and foremost, a good sense of humor. Number two, play sport.
Yes.
If you play sport, because what does sport do? You might never meet other people here. A lot of friends, and plus it's very fun. But you want to go and win, don't you?
They've been preparing this for probably 3 weeks or month.
Yeah, what you should do is, on a Sunday or something, like, you don't have to be super fit. Even if you walk or jog and, do different things.
Over 3.
Yeah, we just warmed up by playing the match.
All three.
Hey, Shivaji.
डबल टच झाला ना त्यांचा पॉइंट डबल टच झाला
Next game करतो.
दुवैजनामा एकजनाले दुईजनाले खेलेपछि पालै पनि सिफ्ट खेल्नै पर्यो त्यो रुल नै हुन्छ त्यही भएर
versus Balaban Djibouti.
And it's good to see them come out of their comfort zone and do something interesting. Playing sport makes you quite interesting because it gets your body and also takes your mind afresh.
Okay, so we can do that again. You wanna play?
Yeah, we want.
Let's do that then. Play.
Which one?
Okay, the next game. These don't need to go.
Pooja, Jane, Sneha, or Anisha?
Hi.
Now high tea time.
High tea time. What's there for the high tea?
किधर आ जाओ?
Oh, you're out of the attire?
Yes, already.
Already.
But we enjoyed a lot.
Bindas. Sa Golgappas. What are you doing? Following the boss around to see how her day is going.
Okay, because she is here for a little time, so may I request all those participants who are not moving ahead and who are done. Yes. Hello. All the participants of this badminton tournament, may I have your attention, please? Let us give a big round of applause and welcome to
I have all the ladies who are not moving ahead in the next round. Come over for their participation certificates.
we are going to have like dancing.
Yes, we are selling. We are the IIW jewelry store, and we are selling this jewelry, which is handmade by the disabled people. They are blind, they are handicapped, and some underprivileged women from Delhi NGO. So these are very beautiful. You can pair it with any saris, tops, and suits, and your formal wear also.
From IIW inspiring Indian women and Rashmi ji, yay! We are supporting Rashmi ji. We are all supporting, and this one is supporting Rashmi ji. The IIW. This one she bought, and we bought this today. And that's one we are selling actually.
We actually so much. Yeah.
We done really good.
I'm very excited, and this is a great event too today. A lot of things happening here, and IIW doing a great job. You know that.
Inspiring women.
Yeah, inspiring Indian women, and we all are proud to be inspiring Indian women. And badminton, this tournament, a big tournament took place today, which is very successful. And as you know, Rashmi has done so much, and we have got stalls here as well for jewelry, selling jewelry as well, to help out underprivileged women in India. And I'm glad that everybody is so enthusiastic to buy them, and we are loving the event, and it's a happy place. Like we are meeting each other, and love the event today. Everything is going fine.
Hello, hi. This is Alan Joseph, councillor for one of the councillors for London Borough of Hounslow, and I'm here to inaugurate IIW Badminton with GBS, who are the title sponsor. And it's so amazing to see the ladies playing here, and it's so inspiration. Inclusion is the theme that has been for this International Women's Day. This has been shown here that many women are playing. Some of them are playing competitive games, some of them are playing just to come out of the daily routine of their life. Some of them are playing to keep themselves fit. So it's amazing to see different teams, different people combined together and playing. So good. And now hope they are going to take to the next level from this kind of sessions and event and the games. Thank you, IIW and GBS.
Hi, I'm Councillor Ranjit Gill.
This is Alan Joseph. I am one of the councillors for London Borough of Hounslow.
Hi, I'm Ranjit Gill, another councillor for London Borough of Hounslow.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dinesh Saraswat from Global Banking School. We are one of the sponsors here.
Yeah, it's amazing to be part of this IIW and obviously GBS sponsorship event for the women's badminton, and it's good to see a lot of women playing here. Very competitive game. I know they practice, they put a lot of their time and energy to come here and play here, and also some of them are trying to take a break from the regular routine and come and relax and play a competitive game, and some of them are here to just make sure that they are building the network and community to just make sure they're just going to go to the next level from this competitive games that they're doing. And it's very much thankful for IIW and GBS to organize this for the women. Definitely this particular year the theme is Inspire Inclusion. This is what is happening for the Women's Day. It's nice and good to see many women participating in the game. Thank you.
Well, it's wonderful to be here and to see so much of enthusiasm from everyone. I suppose it's a break from the normal routine, and to see so many cheery faces and happy faces, which is really inspiring. And also being International Women's Day, it's so nice to be all inclusive for all the ladies, and also to be sponsored by GBS, which is a wonderful thing. And it's all about diversity and community and helping everyone come out and enjoy themselves, and this is what it's all about: participation and having a good time.
Yeah, from the perspective of the Global Banking School, we are here. One of our values is that we celebrate diversity, and the badminton, the women's badminton, what is there, it is just to celebrate diversity, and we are so much proud of the fact that IIW has invited us as a sponsor, and we are very glad and proud and inspired to be one of the sponsors. And it's a lovely, inspiring feeling here, and wonderful. And GBS is always there for the communities, and different communities and different diversities we celebrate.
And so also thank you to Rashmi for inviting us all, which is a great thing.
For the IIW and Rashmi
International Women.
Yeah, that's good. That's
happy Women's Day, and happy to everyone.
Thank you. Bye. Enjoy.
But it was a lot of fun meeting new people.
Model Award for She Inspires Award as well, and we are indeed very grateful. And let me tell you one thing, we have never been able to save any money which we got in any of the events. We would only scrape through. But first certificate, we could save some money for inspiring Indian women, and we use that money in India for the underprivileged. We distributed saris to the underprivileged on International Women's Day. So thank you, sir. Your support means a lot, sir. And those who want to study, restart your study and career after a long break, after children and maternity, please, these are the people. Get in touch with them, and you will also get the education loan from the government here, and they will help you get back to get back some better degree and enhance your skills, right? So GBS, please take them. Okay, now participation only, right? Because the matches are still happening. So the participation certificates are here. So Ashok sir, okay, 1 minute. We need to felicitate Ashok sir. Come on, Rupali, Ashok Chauhan sir, he's my brother, and he's थोड़ा दूर रहना, दूसरा नहीं दूर should not break.
Sorry.
And no worries. So sir, thank you so much. He is always there. Honorable MP Ruth ma'am, come on, well done.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Nice big smile and perfect this way. Just keep coming round in a circle and that's it.
That's for you. Congratulations.
Brilliant. I like the way everybody's smiling. Marvelous.
Thank you so much.
Is Jai Kumar sir here?
Come on, hold it.
Okay, here we go.
All we one big photograph. Come on, hold it. We're all winners. Yeah, we're all winners. Inspiring women. Inspiring women.
As always, marvelous stuff.
Thank you.
Keep smiling. And here we go. All these smiles making my job so easy.
And wait, Sunita, let me announce. We missed felicitating our Dr. Dinesh Saraswat sir.
No worries.
He's always available to chat with me, and I really love the way he comforts us and supports us from behind. Your moral support is so important to us. Your participation? Your participation. Are you ready with your songs, Sunita?
Here we go.
Yeah.
One more. Perfect. Thank you.
I am a videographer.
कुछ मिलेगा?
It's a video. I will love to take a photograph. You guys have such beautiful smiles. I'll just put a little bit of tika. I won't put a little bit. Photo. Oh my God, you're looking so beautiful with this red in your cheeks. Yeah, it's just one dot. One dot and do one dot. On the forehead, that's like a bindi. Oh, this is such a privilege to do this with you. My God, pleasure. Just a very small dot on the forehead, like having. Hey, come on, ladies, where are you? Come first. Why don't you take pictures? The colors everywhere.
Yeah.
In India,
जा बेटा जंग में जीत के आना।
You want? Can I get the ball?
Happy Holi.
ਗਿਆ ਹੁਣ
होली है, बुरा नहीं मानते।
Come on, the ladies!
कोनो महीनवा में बरसे न बरसे, फगुनवा में रंग रच रच बरसे, फगुनवा में रंग रच रच बरसे। सारा रा 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 जोगीरा, जोगी जी ढूंढ के ला दो, जोगी जी वाह जोगी जी, ला दो हमें मिला दो, जोगी जी वाह जोगी जी।
गुलाल लगाना
लगली करा पानी ठिम ठिम करा लगली चंग अग तो बनी माझा झुरा पानी ठिम ठिम करा लगली करा पानी ठिम ठिम करा सरकारानी गाऊया गाडी फिरूया बापुला संग घर घर दारात अंगणात अंगाला मिळू दे अंग तेव्हा तुझं आणि माझं जुळ आई ग पाणी ठेव ठेव
तो होली के रंग में नवरंग का चल जा रे हट नटखट अटक अटक झटपट पन घटपट चटक मटक इतनार नवेल मुरी मुरी बालन की चोरी चली चल चल मोरी मोरी काय अलवेल कंकरी गली में मारी कंकरी कनई कंकरी राह फिर अटकेल घर पिछे सारी बात गोली बनी भारी गोली यारी गति तेरा रंग पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे तारी समझो ना तुम होली आली अरे होली का त्योहार उड़े रंग की बौछार 2000 नखरेदार आगमन की लगे दिलवारी ना झूले को ना झूलट पलट के दूंगी आज तुझे तारी समझो ना तुम होली आली
She's the winner. She's our pillar.
Hold it there. Shake, 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 hands.
Oh God.
Come
One more
forward.
dance.
Go back. Here we go. Up. Up. On your heart.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए बीच सड़क पे नखरा दिखाए सारे ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़की ओ लड़की ओ लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख मारे ओ लड़की आँख
जहाँ जाऊँ मेरे पीछे पीछे आए कभी कभी के आशिक तो मेरा होना
हाय जहाँ जहाँ जाए तेरे पीछे पीछे आए हम तो है दीवाने तेरे तेरा होना चाहे
सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए सीटी बजाए नखरे दिखाए बीच सड़क में हर नाम में ओ करके इशारे ओ लड़का
कुमार सानू की आवाज में
ओ लड़की
Amitabh Bachchan. Down, down, push. Up. Go round that way. Circle, circle. Come on, circle, circle.
Yeah, my God, I didn't expect that. More than 100 people here, you know, and those ladies all having a splendid Sunday today.
I got a bronze. I'm really happy about it. Me too. Cheers. Happy Holi, girl. Happy Holi.
Oh, it's awesome.
How is the Josh now?
It's still high. It's still high.
It's up there.
We really enjoyed a lot, and with the music and all. Yeah.
You're not insane.
Yep. So we really
Everybody's
enjoyed it,
enjoying and we are at the top of the world.
Look, we are sweating now. We dance a lot.
Okay, ladies. Of course, not to forget our dear Councillor Alan. Also, he's here, and thankfully he would hang on because we need somebody to give away the trophies. But nevertheless, the mood is upbeat. It's everyone is full of lot of passion and energy, and what we saw today, I think it's the first time ladies, non-professional, from all walks of life, and in fact never played badminton or played long time back, after a break came back to play, and incredible response. More than 42 pairs of ladies registered and somewhere on the waiting list. I want to invite Shikha Garg. Shikha, she was in charge of this GBS Ladies Championship, because I want to tell you, sir, we had 3 events back to back in March. So the badminton was all on her, So she was doing everything and coordinating with the management here at the Dome. Okay, before I continue with it, I want Anju, you will hold the certificate and give one by one to Councillor Sir, and the players who all has to be given, please come here, one by one, and then we will have you holding the trophy, all of you, at least one photo over there, trophy pakde hue. Yes, okay, these are participation. We really are very grateful that you all participated, because that is more important. Participation. Well done. Yeah. Okay, so sir, we want you to hold this. I think that's only 2 people here today. Just now they have to leave. Now everybody, all the ladies, everybody, come on, hold the trophy. That's it. Come on. Yes. Yeah, somebody wants to hold the second runners up. Come on. Island sir, hold it. Yeah. Oh my God. So at least
हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
तुम्हारे हस्बैंड क्या है? मुझे ना एक पेट दिया गया है।
तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे।
I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations.
So finalists with whom you play against who? Please come here. Okay, and the runners up, first runners up. Who was the third? Okay. So first of all, I want to thank some very important people because of whom we could conduct this match so beautifully. Number one, Sujit Mali, the game lining up. Thank you so much, Sujit Mali. Are you here, sir? Thank you so much. Second, Manoj Dalvi. Thank you so much for helping us. Okay, thank you, sir. Please come here. Thank you. The third one, Ravi Rawat. I request Betty to please take the shawl and felicitate Sujit Mali, Manoj Dalvi and Ravi Rawat. Sujit Mali is here. Felicitate with the shawl. We thank you all for because of you all.
No, I'm Manoj.
So Manoj also you can. Please. Manoj Dalvi. Jai, please, guide us and please take video of this. Okay, Sujit is here. Sujit Mali. Sujit Mali, please. Thank you so much for doing what you did, and you gave us all the pleasure, and conducting this match is not easy. Thank you so much. And to Ravi Rawat! Ravi Rawat! He's one of the best husbands. IIW best husband.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Yeah.
See, at least I got something out of it.
Okay, so now the first thing my name is finalist of this GBS Badminton Championship from IIW. Finalists, may we have you here? Your names, please. Audris and Rashmi. Audris and Rashmi. That is why every time I could hear Rashmi. Okay, Audris and Rashmi. So this is quite important for them. Well done. Please clap hands for them. And you also need to give them the trophy. The silver one, the small one. Come on. This trophy is, it has to be passed around everywhere. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Well done and congratulations. May we have the winners now?
Rekha and
Pooja.
Give me one more time. Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray! Hip hip. Hooray!
Okay. So thank you so much, Chancellor Allen. Now the trophy, the winning trophy. Well done. A big congratulations for winning the GBS Badminton Championship by Inspiring Indian Women. And now we have medals for everyone. Hold on. First runners up. Let me know the name, please. Okay, this is mom and daughter. Mom and daughter. Well done.
And from IIW.
Yes. Silver medal. 2 medal.
No, it's done. Alka, congratulations.
Thank you. So first runners up. Well done. Congratulations.
Well done.
Well done. Super. First runners up. Well done. Well done. Your names, please.
Veda Bala.
Veda Bala. Well done. Veda and Bala.
Look here. Hey, Bala, look here. One more. Veda.
1 second. Yeah. Turn around. Come.
8 people will get the first runner up. Yeah. First runners up.
Thank you.
Participation. 1 minute. Second runner, it's okay. Y'all play. Come on.
We are giving you better.
Y'all play well. It's almost, very close to each other. Yeah.
Nice smile.
Second runners up. The
Thank you.
Yeah.
There we go. And stay there. Perfect. And brilliant.
Participation.
Okay,
Second runners up participation is more of the same.
Thank you.
Second runners up.
Nice big smile. You know how to looking this way. Perfect. And thank you. Here we go. Hold it there. And congratulations. Okay. Here we go.
Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you very much for coming. He's the photographer and his assistant. Thank you so much for being here. Councillor Allen, thank you so much. Councillor Shantanu Rajawal, MP Ruth Cadbury, thank you so much. Thank you to all the referee and all the lining up people. Thank you. Thank you to volunteers, Petania Fernandez, Jai Desai, Sudha Rawat, Vinny Kalia, and we have Shikha Garg. Give a big round of applause. She was the one who did all the coordination, and thank you to Christina who sat for the ticketing counter. Thank you to Anita, thank you to Didi Pooja, and thank you to Sanya, and thank you to Richie Gargi Music. Thank you. Yes. And we want to get Rashmi down in the Not to get Rashmi. Without Rashmi, it will not have happened.
Yes,